me introduce myself. My name is Amir Suhail, and that's it. Today we all are here to present to participate in a debate. The topic has been chosen: work from home. India is ready for work from home or not? Like as we see, 2020 was full of disasters. There were too much problems because the coronavirus came in existence in 2020, and that is why Indian government had to announce lockdown, full lockdown for more than 3 to 4 months. And for that, most of the employees were working from home, and now almost the offices are open, but still there are many employees who are working from home. So the topic is that now should we go for the complete work from home process, or because now the situations are normal, so again the employees should be called to the office that they can come and they can work from there. So this is the topic. We have two teams here. First team, which is saying that this is not okay, that the employees are working from home because there is no atmosphere in home that they can work. And other team is here who is saying that India has become fully digital now, and I believe they say that they believe that now India is ready to work from home. So let us see what are the points of candidates. First of all, I would like to ask Mr. Balramji Dubey to initiate this topic, and I would like to know why does he feel that India is ready for the work, not ready for the work from home.
In my point of view, there are a lot of companies, and there are, in my point of view, there are a lot of companies, and just to provide a lot of work to their employees because they are working from their home. That is why, in my theory, it is not a good step.
A lot of homes are there.
There are a lot of companies which provide their employees too much work, and because they are working from their home.
Okay.
So in my thinking,
you want to say that the workload has been increased because they are staying at home, so they are giving extra work.
Yeah.
To okay, this is your point. Any other point?
Yes.
Okay.
And teamwork is a bit difficult while working from home.
Mm-hmm.
And my next point is that constantly staying at home
change the mentality.
may make the employees can feel isolated.
Okay.
And my next point is that
enough. I believe enough. Okay. So your friend gave some points. He is saying first thing is if they are staying at home, they have extra workload. The company is giving them extra workload. So that is why this is not good. Second point he gave that every time there is a need of atmosphere. Especially if you talk about you are staying at home, then there is no atmosphere. You are alone. Your family members are there. Home domestic activities are going on, and in that kind of atmosphere, it is not. You may say the easy to work. So he is saying that the atmosphere needed, and second he said that there is a need of team. When you are staying alone in home, maybe with your family, but you need help of your team. Some way we talk about the internet, and we see that sometimes it happens that internet is not giving us enough support that we need. So he is saying that yeah, it is true that India has become digital, but still there is a long way to cover. That now not fully ready, yeah, little bit somewhere it is okay, but not all the way. Okay, sir, you answer this.
We are not denying that lot of companies in our company and atmosphere are also necessary, but we are here in the digital India. As you know that many of the women and the men also are not going to out just because of the crisis and the diseases. But at home they are working lot, and as we know that there are a lot of companies where if we are going late, then the managers cut our money. But this is also the applicable that if the man is working at home, they can also manage the all work. It is not a workload. If you are going to company and also coming to home, it is also a double work. If you are staying at home, I think it is not a workload. We are managing the both work in the right manner. I think it is a good.
Okay. Fine, sir, you will have to answer. Your friend is saying you waste too much time when you travel. 1 hour when you go, 1 hour when you come. So 2 hours you are getting here. Okay? And he is saying that when you are in home, you get family support as well. Sometimes cooked food, prepared food is there, healthy things you eat. So he is saying that don't say that you are getting extra work. Yeah, if you are getting extra work for half an hour, that's okay because you are getting 2 hours extra time. What do you say about it?
In my point of view, I will say now India is not fully ready for this because 90% of work are doing by physically. As example, I will say army, doctor, farmer. Our country is called Krish Pradhan. How can you manage it work from home. And other thing is that when we will go to office, we are not as motivated as we are. So how can we do his work within home with full confidence and spirituality?
Okay, your friend is trying to say the first thing which is very needy, when you go gym and just do gym, okay, then you can do gym continuously 2 to 3 hours, because you see a lot of people doing the same. Staying home, gymming for 10 minutes, you feel that I have spent 1 hour. So first thing he says that there is a need of atmosphere, there is a need of motivation, there is a need of support. If you stay at home, you are not gonna get anything. Second thing he says, yeah, it is true that we are living in a digital India, but still 95% work is done physically, not using all the time that sitting at one place and we are working for other. 95% work is still physically. So you are staying at home and you are just trying to say that it will be done. It is not going to happen. He is giving example of Army and Air Force. If Army and Air Force will do the same, will stay at office and protect the country, is it going to happen? Will it be possible that India will be safe? And what you are going to do, you are just making all the people stay at home. You are making them they are not able to see the real world, because when you come out of home going for office, then you are also interacting with so many people. You are learning how to fight with the people who are working with you. So there are a lot of lessons you find on the way. Not only you are going for work, you are also going to learn a lot of things. So you need many people to teach you, but here you are staying at home, just only doing your work, and you are not going to grow your work. Your friend is saying.
I agree with your opinion, but my opinion, when we are go outside from our home, we waste lots of time and also waste lots of money, which is disturb our financial. But when we are work our at the home, we are save these facilities and increase our financial, because we are working to increase our financial support and destroy all our problem.
Okay, sir.
In my opinion, as my friend has said, 90% work done with physically. Please tell me, if police stayed at home,
and when you make call, they say that okay, I'm online.
I am working from home.
Yeah, I'm working from home.
What will you do? In the many conditions, lots of molestation cases are going on. If police says that we are working from home, what will its result?
And I give an example of hacking. All the data on internet is not safe, because we can trust, but it has been proved so many times that internet is not 100% safe. And by working from home, you are putting your all data on internet. So will you be able to survive if someone hacked your account, and you see in the morning you wake up and you see that your account is empty, there is no balance? So how the life will be? He is saying that it's okay that we are dependent on technology.
One more point.
Okay, sir, please.
One more. I would like to say that it also increases slavery. You can take the example of street vendors. They have their shop in near a street. By doing their work from home, by which mean they can sell their products from home.
As we know that
First, let him answer first.
First of all, I would say to you that work from home is not necessary for every people. As you say, the police, doctor, and army. This is a particular for ground duty, and many of people who is
Doing a company's job.
who is doing companies job, for whom necessary
They should go.
work from home. As my friend Harshit Sajan said, 90% of people, Kristi Pradhan, so you pay attention to the research of USA University, which says every 5 men, one of 5 men has used telecommunicating job, and he says in future the
All the jobs will be
all
provided by
jobs,
internet.
approximately all the jobs will be seen in the telecommunications, and as you say, police and doctors, police and doctors. If you, I want to say that if police and doctors are
Working from home.
working from home, they could not save our.
Okay, like as he's trying to say that, but still it is true that okay, you talk about the doctors that they are not working from home, but it is wrong. Okay, still I see there are a lot of doctors who are working online. A lot of applications are available. You can go and download on Play Store. Simply when you open it, you will see the doctor there. He will ask a couple of questions to you. What kind of problem you have? He will maybe say that take deep breath or just put your tongue out of your mouth, and he will see you. And thereafter he will suggest you. Same he does when you go to the doctor. Then he see you and he writes some medicines. You go and buy from the medical stores. So if you talk about doctors, they are giving. If you talk about teachers, they are giving. But some way they are not fully satisfied. Still a lot of people are there who are not fully satisfied. But we cannot say that it is not possible. And he is saying that another example is saying that if you talk about the defense sector, that is already made for the ground level, not for the working from home. So do not talk about these people has to come out because they got the job just because of it. They knew it initially that they have only physical work to do. So if they have physical work to do, how can they do physical work using internet? So he is asking a question. If it's okay, if it is possible that to bring them office and just do all the work from the office, it's okay. Let them come to the office. But if it is not possible, such kind of job they have that can be done only when they are in the ground. So let them do that. So he is saying that don't blame that work from home. Yeah, it is available, but who is suitable for that? Let him choose, and who is not, let them not choose. Okay, sir.
I am agree with your opinion, but in my opinion, this company build up electronic gadgets, mobile phones, and laptop, automobile parts, and you done your work in home, so you can build up less parts and purchase and sell this and give money for employees. That's done your work in home. That's my opinion. That's my point.
Okay, so finally, anyone else? We have to conclude at last.
A line between.
I want to conclude it only. Okay, conclude, sir. We have enough time. It has been concluded. You do not have to support only particular thing. Now it's time for conclusion. So you can conclude it. Okay.
At last, I conclude by saying that it is good to do work from home, and it is also do to go and work in the outside. It is all depend upon women's choice that they are what they are choose the areas. If they are choose that they can do their work by physical, it is
They are most welcome.
they are most welcome. If they are choose that they are work at the home, then we are use the technology and work from home, and give the other person employment.
As we know that adding the all points, we can see that in our country, if you are supporting to the digital and telecommunication, I think it will be improve our country. As we know that 50% and 50% worker is doing a physical work, I think they should do. But we should also support the telecommunicating and a home work. They can support our women, and the woman will be increased, and the country will be also increased.
In my point of view, the telecommunication and the work from home is a very useful for today's need, because every single parent and many family men whose members is very disabled from our physical body, so they can do every job and many kind of job from work from home. So I say
I suppose.
In my opinion, at last I would like to conclude by saying there is a great idea, but in the internet is increasing for work for home. We have a long way to walk from work from home. In India, because a proper internet connection is not built up in India.
Okay, sir.
In my opinion, work from home is good in the situation of crisis, but totally it is not good, because India is a developing country.
many kinds of work are physically done. So I would like to conclude it that it would have that there is a long way to go to do work from home with the help of internet.
At last, I want to conclude that it is good to work from home, but it is we cannot totally depends on the work from home, because there are a lot of work who is done by physically and homework which we can done by mentally, and internet we can do that work from home.
At conclusion, I will say I'm not denying the importance of work of home. The fact of the matter is that our country is not yet developed, because our country is developing right now. So we should do his work with full motivation and spirituality, so we can grow day by day. It's okay.